Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm doing deep conditioning 101 for natural curly hair. I already made a video where I deep condition my hair, so you guys can go check that out. I also made a video of affordable favorite deep conditioner, so you can check that out as well. But today we are going to talk about the do's and don'ts of deep conditioning, the benefits of deep conditioning, and how long should you deep condition? Why should you deep condition? So, what are the benefits to deep conditioning? Deep conditioning makes your hair healthier, stronger, shinier, more moisturized, softer, provides nutrients for your hair, it prevents split ends. So your hair goes through a lot of daily damage from just manipulation, from like combing your hair, brushing your hair, from the weather, whether it's like really hot and humid or whether it's really cold, just harsh conditions. Deep conditioner helps put more moisture back in your hair during these times. So how often should you deep condition? My personal opinion is 30 minutes. I have read that that is the maximum amount of time that the deep conditioner will reach its limit to absorbing into your hair. They say after 30 minutes it has reached the highest absorption level into your hair that it can. So leaving in longer won't really do much for your hair. So I usually aim for 30 minutes, and that works for me. The do's and don'ts of deep conditioning. Use oil in your deep conditioner. If oil isn't already in your deep conditioner, like olive oil or coconut oil or some type of oil, add an oil to your deep conditioner because it will help penetrate your hair. People also do like hot oil treatments. I've never done one, but I want to do one. So you can also use that as a way to deep condition. But use oil either in your deep conditioner or add it to your deep conditioner. And I still use oil even if my deep conditioner has oil. It's really redundant, but I do it anyway for some reason to get more penetration, I guess. But yeah, use oil in your deep conditioner. Olive oil, coconut oil, argan oil, castor oil. I don't know, there's so many oils out there. Find, the oil that's best for your hair, because there are a lot of oils that serve different purposes. Use heat in your hair when you're deep conditioning, so the deep conditioner can really penetrate your hair. You can use a hooded dryer, a dryer attachment that attaches to your dryer that goes over your head. You can use a heated cap. I've heard you can use a steam room. I heard they have like steamers out there for your hair. Deep condition once a week or bi-weekly. Deep condition on clean hair. So every time you wash your hair, deep condition. I wash my hair once a week, so I deep condition once a week, and conditioning works better on clean hair. Use a plastic cap, shower cap, plastic bag over your head when deep conditioning. It helps moisture not escape, and like, where is it gonna go? It's gonna stay in the bag, and you want moisture to go into your strands. You don't want the moisture to go anywhere else. You want everything to go in your strands. So if you use a plastic bag, plastic cap, shower cap, it has nowhere to go, and it's forced to just go into your hair to get all that moisture in there. Rinse with cold water. Concentrate on your ends when deep conditioning. Why? Because they are the oldest part. I'm not saying don't give the rest of your hair love, but your ends should get the most love. The don'ts of deep conditioning. I don't have a lot, but it's only two don'ts. The first one, do not leave in your deep conditioner overnight. I know we get lazy, we don't want to rinse it out. Like, I remember the first time I did this and my hair was like really soft. Like, it was really soft, and I was like, wow, this deep conditioner worked really well. And then I read about it later, and they said that's not good when your hair is like that soft, because when you leave in deep conditioner overnight, the next day your hair is just limp, mushy. Like, that's not how your hair is supposed to be. So it's damaging if you do this to your hair all the time. Do not leave in your deep conditioner overnight. Do not sleep in that bad boy. Rinse it out. Get up, rinse your deep conditioner out, and style your hair. The last don't of deep conditioning is do not skip deep conditioning. You skip it once, then you skip it twice, and then you keep skipping it. Just don't skip it. Get into the routine of doing deep conditioning every week, and it will do wonders for your hair. Well, that's all I have for deep conditioning 101. Make sure you check out my other videos, and I will see you in my next video.